Hello everyone, welcome to part 163 of Laravel 9 as well as the Laravel 10 tutorial. We can say now it's the Laravel 10 tutorial. We have already upgraded our project to Laravel 10, and for the new users you can directly install Laravel 10 and this project can work in Laravel 10 as well. Okay, so we will continue working on the multi-vendor e-commerce series and we will continue the simple shipping charges module. Okay, and in the last video we able to show the shipping charges of countries in the admin panel, and see by default we have added the 200 INR for all the countries, and for India we keep it as 0, you can see. Okay, so as India, we see the warehouse, the manufacturing unit is in India, so we keep it as 0, and for the international countries we keep it, we have added some price, and you can also do in the same way, like for your own country you can make the price as 0, but for other countries you can add the shipping charges. Okay, so there are other conditions as well, like the minimum order, like you can only allow the user for some certain amount that we will do later on, but right now our focus is on integrating these shipping charges, and we are going to integrate this update country by shipping charges. See, we have added all the country shipping charges right now from the table. Okay, we have added from the table. See, we have seen in the last video that we able to import all the shipping charges from the table from the Excel file, and now see we are going to do this. See, anytime you can able to edit from the admin panel, so that thing we are going to do from the admin panel. We are going to add the edit feature. So I want to tell you that later on in the series, like we have done in the advanced e-commerce series as well, you are not required to integrate anything manually in the admin panel, but we are going to integrate everything with the API, third party API. We are going to integrate the third party shipping API that will handle everything automatically. Okay, like we have also done in the advanced e-commerce series as well. Okay, so but right now if you want to save your money, if you don't want any third party like the big brands do, like Amazon, Flipkart, all the big brands hire third party service. If you don't want to do that, that you can manually do like this. Okay, so it's your choice. So let's work on the edit feature. Like if you want to edit the rate of any of the country, shipping rate of any of the country, then you can easily edit from the end panel, and that thing we are going to add now. Okay, so first of all I'm going to check this edit link. I'm going to open this shipping charges blade file, shipping charges. This is the shipping charges blade file, and I'm going to find its edit link where I can able to see add edit shipping. Okay, so it's fine. Shipping ID, so it's fine. Okay, so next thing is we are going to add its route in web.php, where we have added the other routes as well. Here we are going to add its route, and this time we are going to add both get and post. Okay, I will add the match. Both get and post will come in this one. Post. Okay, so here we are going to make it like we are going to add, see admin is already there. We will add like edit shipping charges. Okay, edit shipping charges, because addition we have already done for all the countries, and now the client can only edit. So what I can do, I can just make it edit shipping charges. Okay, not like this, just edit shipping charges. Okay, that is enough. Edit shipping charges, and also see that ID, that country ID will come up here. Okay, so you can see the shipping ID. Okay, fine. This is the shipping ID, this one. Okay, and for every country there is one ID, and we can update from this ID. Okay, edit shipping charges ID. Okay, so it's fine. And after that, shipping controller at the rate of edit shipping charges. Okay, so we are going to add this function in shipping controller here. Public function edit shipping charges, and here we are going to add the id as well, and also we will use this for post method as well when we are going to update the shipping charges. Okay, right now we are working on the get method. We are going to display in the in one page in which we are going to add the form to update the shipping charges. Okay, so right now we will work for the get, we will work for its page shipping details, and here shipping charge model, in which we are going to pass this id to get the shipping charges of that country that the user want to update. Okay, so id, so we can use simply first also. Okay, because there is no array requirement. Okay, admin dot inside the shipping, we are going to create new blade file, edit underscore shipping underscore charges. Okay, and uh, we are going to return this shipping details. Okay, to that blade file. So this we are going to create inside admin resources, resources views admin shipping, and here we are going to create, and we know that how to create in Mac. Right click new terminal, add folder, and touch command for Mac. In that I'm going to name it like edit shipping charges dot blade dot php. Okay, so in Mac we need to create the file like this, and if you are in Windows you can simply go inside the folder and can create the new file, new empty file. Like you can create, right click and create the notepad file, and then you can rename the file with edit underscore shipping underscore charges dot blade dot php, and after that you can open this file. Okay, I can straight away drag it and will open this file, and there is nothing at this time because we have not added so far. We will add from any of the other file that we are having. Like I'm going to open here some brand file. I can also open, that is the simple HTML form we require. So I can just simply copy and paste here, and then can make changes. And here we are going to add here shipping charges. We can make it like edit shipping charges. Okay, or shipping charges alone is enough. Here inside this we can add the title. Here we are going to add the edit shipping charges, and here in this form we are going to add two fields here. One is the country field, that is read only, and one is the rate field in which we are going to update the shipping charges. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy one more time and paste it. And also in form there is just one action in the form, not two. So I'm going to remove this one, will keep only one action. In action we are going to have the id, so I will just keep one action like this, and another one I will remove. Okay, also this one is not required, multiple we are not going to upload any image. And here it will come add edit, see edit, only edit, no add. Okay, edit shipping charges, this one, and here shipping id. Okay, so after this we are going to add the country. Instead of brand name we are going to add the country, but here it's not required. Placeholder not required, name not required. Okay, and id not required, because this we are not going to update the country. Okay, so in value we are going to add here shipping, and is here we are going to add see here we are passing the shipping details here. Okay, so here also shipping details, and here also shipping details. Okay, and here the country will come up. Okay, here we are going to remove this one as well. Okay, type is test is fine, but we are going to make it read only. Okay, let's class form control, well fine. And now the rate. Okay, shipping charge is rate. We are going to add it like this. Here we are also going to add the country, and here we are going to add the rate. Okay, rate, and here enter here shipping charges, shipping rate, one and the same thing, shipping rate. Okay, and here uh, we are going to add shipping details instead of brand. Okay, and here only value is required, nothing else, because at least we have the zero rate for all the countries. Fine, we are going to search that brand must not exist. Okay, fine. And here now we are going to check, we are going to click on edit and we'll see nothing is coming. So we need to check once that where is the issue. Maybe issue is here. Okay, so actually I think it's not refreshed, or maybe I'm going to file save all. We have already updated its link edit shipping charge. Now I'm going to click on once again, and this time it is showing some error because here we still need to update because title is not going, so that's why this error is coming. Okay, let's update this one as well. Here the title is just one title all the time, and that is the edit shipping charges. Okay, title is edit shipping charges, edit shipping charges. In all the cases there is no add, just the edit shipping charges. So we are going to add the title like this. So now we are going to check once again, and here this time it is working fine, and you can see like edit shipping charges for Afghanistan. We are going to enter the rate and click on submit, or say it is working fine. And now we are going to work on its post method. Okay, so that we can able to update the shipping charges as well. But first of all, also we're going to put the session in the same way, like to highlight the shipping at the left sidebar. Okay, so that we can able to highlight the shipping. I will simply refresh it so that it will highlight on the left side. Okay, so after that we are going to work on its post method when the data gets posted from the admin. Okay, we are going to save the shipping rate is method post. Okay, so here once the data gets posted, we are going to insert update the shipping charges in the table request. Okay, we can all. Okay, so after this we will add here the model shipping model shipping charge. Okay, where we are going to update with this id we are going to uh, have this one. We are already having the id, that shipping id, from which we are going to update the rate. Then rate is coming from the form. Okay, update the rate, and rate is coming from the form. Okay, dollar data rate. Fine, and after this message we are going to pass there like shipping charges updated successfully, shipping charges updated successfully. And here return redirect back, return redirect back with success message. Okay, and this is the success message that we have declared earlier. Okay, so now it seems to be fine, and we're going to update the shipping charges. Like if I'm going to see here, we also require to show the shipping charges. Like Afghanistan is having the 200 shipping charges here, so that must come here as well. I'm going to see why it's not coming, because already we have just fed that shipping charge and passed there, you can see. And also we can do one thing here, we can simply check once, like it is having some kind of shipping charges for Afghanistan we are having or not. Die. Okay, we are going to check once, like like yeah, it is coming fine here. Okay, just we need to make sure that this one we are having here as well. We're going to check in form, and here country, and here the okay, so that's why here the rate will come instead of name. So now it will display the shipping charges here in the field as well. So we are going to increase the rate to 500, and we'll click on submit, and here you can see the shipping charges updated successfully, and you can see the 500 here. You can even refresh, and you can see it is working fine. Okay, so now we can update the other rates. Okay, so like see, you can see here as well that we have updated the shipping charges for Afghanistan to 500. Okay, so like this you can also upgrade the price for all the countries. Okay, so like for India, if you want less shipping charges, if you want 100 rupees shipping charges for India, then you can simply add it for the India like this, and it will update straight away. Okay, so like this you can update the shipping charges as well. And in the next video we are going to apply the shipping charges at the front end. Okay, and so that we can display, we are going to display the shipping charge in checkout page. And see, I'm going to show you that at front end I'm going to log in with one of the user. Okay, I'm going to log in with this user here, and I'm going to show you that where we are going to apply the shipping charges based on the country via Ajax. Like this is the product, I will click on proceed to checkout. Okay, so here see, whenever we will select any country like Iceland, if I'm going to select, I'm going to update the shipping charges whatever the price. Like Iceland is having the 200 rupees, we are going to add the here 200 rupees instantly via Ajax without refreshing the page. And if I'm going to select the India, then 100 rupees we have added, then 100 will get added, and here total will increase automatically instantly, and also that will be applied when we place order. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in the next video, so please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.